In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok region location. So if you know that TikTok is bound on only the region your phone is currently in and it locates it that way. So first way you can do is just to download a VPN like Surfshark or NordVPN and just connect to a country. But before you do that, make sure that you have put your SIM out, your SIM card, because even though you have connected to a VPN, your SIM card also tells of your origin of your country. So I would download the VPN, remove your SIM card. If you want to be 100% sure that you have changed your region, delete TikTok, reinstall it again without the SIM with the Surfshark or NordVPN or whoever, and then that should work. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.